Hi, today I'm doing a review of the Hoover DYM886TPW full-size dishwasher in white. It was delivered to me on Sunday by AO.com. I love the fact it was delivered on a Sunday, which means that I didn't have to have a day off work, which is what I normally have to. I was really impressed with the tracker link as well, so I could actually track where the delivery van was, so I could sort of pinpoint down to half an hour of when it was being delivered, which was a great feature. I'm really impressed with the machine. It's a 16-place setting dishwasher. As you can see inside, it's got a large capacity, which makes it ideal for large families or when entertaining guests. It features 12 wash programs, which you can see on top of the front of the door, which helps. Also, you can adjust them by pressing an Action Pro once or pressing it twice. Press it once, it increases the intensity of the wash cycle and enables the third arm, giving it extra power for really dirty dishes, which you can see at the back, which is the red. So you make sure you put your really dirty pots and pans over that to get them all nice and clean. If you press it twice, it decreases the intensity, reducing the wash time and the length, saving energy. It also has an super eco button, which saves time and energy of 25% on an average according to the cycle you have chosen. An all-in-one button, which optimises the use of your all-in-one tablet if you choose to use that, rather than a separate salt, detergent and rinse aid. The tablet is put into this little device there. Just push it in and shut it up. That's where your rinse aid goes. And under this basket is where your salt is put. It features a hygienic wash, which is fantastic for babies' bottles or things like that. Family wash, eco wash, glassware, all different features. Steam cycle. There's so many different programs for you to choose from, and it's all written on top to help you, or it's all in the book. It has a 24-minute quick wash cycle, which is really handy if you need things really quick. It's an energy efficient rating A, which is fab, cleaning performance rating A, and a drying performance rating A. All in all, I would highly recommend this Hoover DYM886TPW full-size dishwasher to anyone really, large families or anyone.